All right. You got it, Carla.
Okie doke. All righty. Okay, thanks for coming back, guys. This is exciting. So, like I said before, I just got a little overwhelmed this week and I didn't get an overview completely typed up, but you guys wanted to cover photo editing this week, which we kind of covered at the end of last week's class, but you guys were really enjoying that and really interested and wanted to delve more into that. So what would you got? Do you guys want to start with remove background or X in view, or you want to go over X in view again? Because did anybody go to the website and save the pictures?
I just saved the ones from last week. I didn't have the
Okay.
time to save the ones from this week.
Okay,
I was going to,
guys,
but
I had some trouble trying to figure out how to do it on the website. So
okay. So let me see if I can let me bring the website up.
I think I need to close some things down. It's telling me I have an unstable internet here. So
Okay. Okay, so this is the link for class 2. Can everybody see that?
Yep.
Okay. So we'll go back to, if you click up here at the top, this is the link that I'll go back to this link. This is the link I've been posting on the Facebook page. This here, I'm going to put past pictures like from season 6 and 7. I just haven't got around to it yet. And this is the directory. If you want to go, you can go up here and you can go back to class 1. So there's week 1 and the date, week 2 and the date. And this will just be past stuff I've done in the past that I'll link you to, so you can go back at your own pace and your own time and save whatever pictures you want. It just may take me some time to do it. But if we go to, here's class 1. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Here's all the pictures from class 1. I need to put a back button and stuff. I forgot to do that. So you can just click on that thumbnail and click save image as, or you can click on the picture. I don't know what it's telling me there. Pass. Oh.
that's a fun picture.
So then you can just say, you can say download. If you click download, it'll save it. Print. I don't know what this does. Oh, add a some sort of shortcut. I don't know. I don't know what this does. Share, add star, embed. I don't know. But you guys will, the two that you guys will want to probably want download and print. And you can just click out of it. I don't know if it gives you the slideshow thing or not. It's not letting me, it's not giving me, oh, no, there's, just say it doesn't give me any arrows, but I'll just X out of it. So those are for class 1. So up here, class 1 handout, part 1, part 2, it's still telling me it's too big. I don't know why. Still will be able to download it, even though I put it into 2 parts, still be able to download it. We'll go back up here because I don't have you can hit the back button. I'll put a button here too, take you back to the collage making home will be this, that's at the top. So we're going to go to week 2. And here
I'll need to go back to sending that surge group to file.
Carla, you froze. Let me call her.
yes.
You're froze. Oh, now you're back.
Okay,
All right, bye.
sorry.
Uh-huh.
Does everybody see that? The link, you could click on that. It should take you to the website.
We're doing the tree. Is that the one you were picking?
I just clicked on the first one. You can just click on it and save it.
The first picture, 13.
Sure. Yeah.
Or I probably can just pick on any of them, really.
Well, I want to show them how to lighten a picture.
Okay.
So that's dark. This one's like,
Carla, I think your internet's unstable.
the web.
I think your internet's unstable because you keep going in and out and then we get robot.
So stable internet today.
Yeah.
Haven't had a problem.
She's got more.
So does everybody have that picture saved?
Yes.
Yeah. Carla, do you have like more than multiple stuff open on your computer? Hmm.
No.
Okay, because you keep like everything, you freeze a lot.
Anybody?
Okay.
I don't know
She's
what
doing
to do
okay for
about it. I've
me.
rebooted
Yeah.
I booted the computer.
Okay. I mean, because I'm not having any issues, but okay. Maybe it just
It
seems like
says my
she's
screen
freezing.
is paused.
That's what I'm seeing. That's why I was thinking you were frozen.
I think I did it, maybe. Did anybody happen to be able to download X and View?
I did.
Okay, you can open X and View if you want.
Corresponding to
There it is.
Mm.
Giving me a bunch of messages when I open it. Well, I
Can you
guess
see X and
this
View
is a
right
new
now?
update. Yeah, I guess there's a new update.
Oh, just say cancel.
Oh, too late. I already clicked on it.
Oh,
I'll just get out of that part of it. So let's see.
but where it says browser, you can click on it and just close. Because it's just clutter to me. I don't like it. So I'm just gonna say close.
So I've got mine open.
Whoops. Can you see X and view? I clicked
Yeah,
out of.
I'm in it right now, I think.
Melissa, can you see X and view on my screen?
I can, yes.
Okay.
It's there.
So I'm going to open that picture. I have it saved. Let me go to the folder I have it saved in.
So what did you click on for inserting the picture?
You're going to click, okay, you're going to go up here where it says file,
Uh-huh.
open,
Oh, okay, open.
and then you're going to browse for it. Mine's in a folder on my desktop, so I'm going to go desktop.
That's in downloads right now.
Yeah, if it's file, open, if it's in like your pictures, you can go
Okay,
to
I've got it.
library. I don't know how your videos is set up. You can also do this PC, and it'll bring up everything, like your
Yeah.
download folder, doc.
Yeah, it's in it now.
So I'm going to say open desktop for class week 2 pictures. Okay. So this picture is kind of dark. So we're going to go up here where it says image and just brightness. And then there's this slider right here. And you can just slide it over like that.
So on the 2 comparison boxes there.
Yeah. And then sometimes when you try to make a picture brighter, see how it gets kind of, that's the contrast. So you can, I mean, if you want to mess with all that stuff, you can.
So what did you do first? I missed that because my thing was over it.
Okay, I gotta move this. Cancel. And I
To
brightness.
okay, right.
Mhm.
And then your slider. Which slider did you adjust first?
See, it says brightness.
Okay. So you did the brightness.
Yeah, I think it says show preview. Maybe you gotta have it checked. You see that, Mary, where it says show preview?
Oh, yeah.
There.
Yeah, mine is checked.
Got unchecked. So, yeah. Sometimes what I do, there's another feature on here. You go up to image and it does that, and you don't get that.
Does
It's
it
a little bit
automatically?
bright, but you don't get that. Worrying about the
And then
contrast.
you said that you have to go and apply to image, right?
And have that applied to image check. And then you just say, okay. So normalize feature a lot. So I can say, okay. Up here, I'm gonna say save, but save
That's
as
Oh,
under file.
okay, save as.
Mhm. And then you're going to click save as. And you can, it brought up the save. Just going to say 13. I'm going to say 013 norm so that I don't override my original image. And then click save.
Now,
Say
is this
you
a
don't-
program that we can take things out of the picture in?
Yeah, that's a different program. We'll go over that too. Now, if you want to crop, say you want to come in and you want to crop this, you just put your arrow like this and drag. And then you
Wait
can
a minute.
pull up. When you see these little dots right here, that's what you use like that. And then you go up to this
You just
square.
click the cursor on it and that brings
Yeah.
up the arrows?
Yeah, you just
Oh,
click
wow,
and
that's
drag.
pretty simple.
Click and drag. Yeah, that's why I like this program. Click and drag.
Wow.
Cutting off
yeah,
a little bit
that's-
of his arm there, so I'm going to come out a little bit, and then this little arrow right here, if you hover over any of these, it'll tell you what it is. This little box here, it's an unusual. Usually you see scissors for crop, but it's got this weird little box. And then you just click crop, and you got.
Oh, I see. So you click that after instead of before.
Yes, you click it after. Yes,
Okay.
very good.
I see.
And then I'm going to say undo because I don't really like that. So you can leave, so you can have like several pictures open at the same time, but we'll go ahead and close this. Oh, I already saved it. So I'm going to go up. Let's see. Can you
Okay,
guys
so
still
show
see
us how to take the tree out of the background.
Yeah, I'll show you that. Yeah. I must have saved it in the wrong folder because I must have saved it in the wrong picture folder.
What are you looking for?
Oh, no, this is on the web. Can you guys see the web page now?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to go and pick this picture down here where they're decorating the tree.
Uh,
See that one?
okay, let me get that one.
Okay, I'm going to close out of it. And it says tree 003A.
Oh,
So did you guys get that one saved?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to go back to that folder. Okay, so what I did was on this one, because I wanted a bigger version of it, I had it playing in my video program that plays videos, and I just hit print screen and took the screen capture. And so it took this part of the screen as well. Well, I don't want that. If I'm making a collage, I don't want that. I made a video not very long ago and had a video that had somehow or another, when I when I screen captured my screen, I recorded all this stuff too. So, so you're just gonna, you don't want this in here. So you're gonna click and drag like that. And then you fine tune it by just dragging it up like that. That looks good. Got the black off of there. So now I'm just gonna go up here. I got a little bit of white down there, so that's okay. We can just highlight it again and just maybe go above that white there. Go to the end, make sure it's all included. We're just going to hit this again. There. Now, this picture is a little bit dark, so let's go up to image, adjust, and we can go to brightness and do it that way. Then you got to kind of play with the contrast, because not all pictures will you have to do that, but, and if you get the sliders to where you're like, oh, I can't get back to where I want, just hit cancel. Go back. But I like to normalize, so it's easy. It comes pretty close to what I want. I think that looks good. It says apply to image. I'm going to say okay. But it needs something. So let's go to image. Let's add some text. So let's put decorating the tree. Or you can put trimming the tree or whatever.
Where did you get text?
Okay. Go up to
I missed that.
image,
Yeah.
image, and you go scroll. Go all the way down. Add text.
Oh, there it is. I missed that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we're just gonna write, you know, trimming the tree, decorating the tree, trimming the tree. What year would that have been? Like
1916.
1916?
Yeah. Season 7, 1916.
We'll just put trimming the tree, 1916, and you could put a space in there. And then I just leave the alignment on left because usually, and then I'm going to say choose, and then you can just scroll through your fonts here. Here says Christmas mint. That's pretty. Well, there's 36 regular. That gives you oblique and some other. I'm just going to say, and you can get more fonts. It says show more fonts here. I'm just going to say, okay. I'm going to leave everything white and just see what it looks like. I don't like that much space between the 1916 and trimming the tree. So I'm just going to come up here and say edit, undo, image, add text, and everything's still there.
Where did you get the color?
Right here. It says text color, white. And you can
Uh-oh, I think you
text
froze up.
color. If you want to change the text color,
I got to get back to where you are.
yeah. And then if you
So
wanted,
You did it.
wanted-
Where did you get the color?
right here, see where it says text color?
Yeah.
Text color is the very top. Right.
Okay.
And what if you can't go back and change it after you how did you get back to here?
I
Did
see.
were you
Okay.
able to change
Okay.
it, or did you have to delete? And
I said file, I said edit, undo. Oh,
okay,
out of the way now. Let me go
okay.
put that
And
back
then
real quick.
went back to image.
Now, this is not
add text.
big enough at all.
Normalize. Okay. So we're going to go
Okay.
image, text, and I'm going to backspace that.
Wait, mine says add text.
Yep,
does give
add
me just-
text,
Okay.
and it'll bring this
need
back
to-
up.
Change the font size.
Yeah, image, add text, and then I'm going to backspace this 1916. And if I got all the colors that I still like, if I wanted a back color, I could put back color, make sure this little thing's checked that I'm going to use back color. And then you click the square and I'm going to use black as my back color and say, okay. There's your back color, but I don't like that either. So I'm going to say edit, undo, and then I'm going to go back and do it again. So image, add text. I'm going to take the 1916 off because with that, and I didn't like I'm going to uncheck this text back color. Let's see what it looks like if I outline the color. Let's we'll outline it in red. And we're just going to say, okay. trimming the tree.
So I ended up with it on there twice in two different
Oh,
sizes.
that's because you didn't go up and say edit undo.
Okay.
So just go up there and go edit undo and then edit undo again and just start over.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Did you get it?
I
Yep.
have one.
Okay.
Oh, may have to save it.
Okay, so I'm gonna put, I'm gonna uncheck that because I don't like that. So I'm gonna put trimming the tree just in white. And then I'm gonna go back because I do want the date on there. So I'm just gonna take that out. But I'm gonna place the date the way I want to. So I'm gonna put 1916. Okay, and then I'm gonna put it in the middle. You guys can have yours the way you want it. So then you have it the way you want. So we're gonna say save as, and then we got tree 003A, but we don't want to replace our other picture. So we're just going to write T. You can do it in capitals or however you want, text, because now we know this has text. You could put text and norm because we made it lighter. We normalized it. We put text. So now we're just going to click save. So now we want to do a new picture. We can go up here. We can right click on this and say close. Or there's a little, you got the big X and then you got the little X. The little X is for the picture. But okay.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to go file. Let me go back to the web page and see which picture we should do first. What I want to say next. Let's just go to this one here. Do you guys see this one here?
Mm-hmm.
Next to the one where he's tipping his hat. We'll just do this one. So I'm going to go to my folder. So you go file, open, and I'm gonna
Download it first.
yeah, go ahead and download it and then open it. For some reason, my video player, if I'm taking screen caps from a broadcast, it makes the captures bigger. If I take the captures from a DVD, the captures come out smaller. It has something to do with the ratio that it is when it airs on TV as opposed to, I don't know. I don't understand it. But anyway, so did everybody get this one open yet?
Oops. What did I do?
Oh. I have it. I need to open it in Action View.
So we're putting this one in Excel view too?
Yes, we're going to put this one in Action View.
Are we opening this one in Excel view also?
Yes.
Right.
I'll let you do that. I'll be right back. I got to check on something. I'll be right back. I'll let you guys get that open.
that the one she wanted? That's not the one I got. Okay.
All right. Everybody get that open?
Mhm.
So sometimes now this had to do with my internet connection or something. I don't know. Sometimes when I
Hold on.
screen record
Hold on.
and
There you go.
take the capture, depending on, the better quality your broadcast, the clearer the picture. This one's kind of grainy. So did you have a question, Melissa?
No, I just got the wrong picture, so I'm going back and I just have to open it.
Okay.
I got the right one now. I just
Okay.
need to
So
find it.
sometimes if you have a picture that's grainy or kind of, stretched out looking or, pixely, you go up here and go image, resize. And then I always use custom. I don't mess with the width and height and pixels and all that. I just go to custom and I'm going to do 50%. Let's see where 50% takes us.
Wait, where are
It
you
will
finding
take a little bit of that
50%?
grain out.
Where did
You
you
froze
go?
on me.
Okay, I will redo it.
Let me watch.
Is my screen locked up again?
Not for me. It
Yeah, I
may
don't
be
think
for
so.
others.
Okay. Just let me know.
But is she frozen for anybody else?
All
No.
I'm seeing is.
There she is. Now she's back.
Okay.
Okay,
She didn't
so we're
freeze
gonna
for me.
go to resize it. We're gonna go, and I'll try to, it may take me a while, but I'll go back over and I'll finish that handout and I'll try to include some steps. So image, resize,
Okay.
custom. Usually you're going to use 25%, 75%, or 50% is going to be what you want to use.
So it's
So
in the
I
drop
picked
down.
50% for this one. That's because I didn't. That's because I forgot to undo edit. I'm going to close it. I didn't bring it back in because I don't know what I did. Okay. So I'm going to go image, resize, 50%. And you can see it took some of that grain out. Image, if you don't want that small, you can go image, resize, custom, 75%. And you get that size. Maybe you just want a picture smaller to use in a, maybe there's nothing wrong with the picture. You just need it smaller to put for whatever your program you're using or whatever you're making. But I'll go up here, edit, undo. So I'll do it again. So it's to resize, you're going to go image, resize, custom, 50. In fact, if you like that, you can say file, save as. And you could put like smaller, or you can add 50. So it's 50%, smaller 50. Save. And you don't have to, like, if you want it saved 75% too, you don't want to have to X out and bring it back in. Just go edit, undo, brings it back to its original size. Image,
Also, you told me
resize,
what the house address again?
custom, 75, and then file, save. And it says smaller 50, so I'm just going to back it up, smaller 75, save. So we'll close. Does anybody want me to go over that again? Okay. So let me go back. Trying to think what would be a good picture to. Do you guys see this picture of Allie
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
down here? Okay. We'll use that one. So I'm going to go to File, Open. I'm going to browse to the folder. And I'm going to scroll till I find that picture. There it is. I'm going to click on it, say open. You can also double click it. If you double click it, it'll bring it in. You know, and you could crop this too if you wanted, if you didn't want his arm in it. You know, you wanted just her. You could crop it. Go back. You can just click off anywhere and it'll take that box away. But we're going to go image. And we're going to go image, convert to gray. Usually, I don't know what the difference is. My sister told me once, but sometimes you'll get darker gray or a lighter gray. You just kind of have to play with it. So I'm going to see what 32 grayscale dither looks like. So there it turned it to black and white. So if you like that, you can go File, Save As, and then you would just put BW for black and white so you don't override your original picture. Save As.
What did you, what numbers did you?
Okay, I'll
give
do it
as?
over.
What grayscale?
Okay, you
Just
could go
the number of
image,
grayscale. Oh,
convert to gray. I use 32 down here on
okay.
dither.
Do we know what the difference in dither
I,
and
you
the
know,
other
I
is?
used to, and I don't remember. I think my sister told me once, but I don't remember. And I mean, you can play around with it. Just go undo. We'll see
I
what.
couldn't tell much difference.
Convert to gray, 64 grayscale. I don't know if that looks a little darker. I don't know. That didn't have the dither. Sometimes seems like I did one or the other on a picture and it was more grainy or something once, but I haven't noticed that much difference. So that's black and white. If you go to map and go all the way, and you can play with all of these levels and contrast and do whatever you want to see if you can fix a picture. I'm going to go down to sepia. And that gives you that brownish tone. And there is, sometimes it'll come out kind of yellowy. And if you use the slider, you know, you can tone down that brown or yellow. just by doing this. You know, if you like that a little bit browner, that puts a little more color back into it. If you like that really yellow sepia tone, you can go all the way. I'm going to go down just a little like that, and make sure apply to image is checked. Say okay. I'm going to say file, save as, and I'm just going to take the black and white out. All right, sepia and save. And then I will show you one more thing in here. Now you can always go to, if you like a picture and it's big enough, you can set it as your wallpaper from here. Create a strip of images that I have never done before. There's always going to be things I've never done in here, but you can, you know, there's the effects. There's drop shadow, 3D border I showed you the other day where you get that beveled edge. There's some where you can, like, if it's grainy, you can take the noise out. Emboss looks like that. You can sharpen it. Some of these I don't even know what all they are. You can blur it, you know, if you were using it at a collage and you wanted it to look blurry because you don't want it to be the focus of your collage or something. Enhance the edges.
Now, how did you get that
Okay.
list down the side?
Okay, you go to filter and effects.
Filter. Okay.
There's apply to image.
Okay.
And then you got this, you know, it gives you categories: blur, enhance, edge, miscellaneous, noise. You can play with that, reduce the noise. You can make it look like an oil painting. There you can even see what's 3D border, slice, shear, spray. I don't, that kind of warps it. Swirl. There's the swirl. You know, some of those you might want to use in a collage if you are going for something artsy. You don't want, decide you don't want any effects, just say cancel. You can go back up here to filter. I never use this because I don't understand it. I had to click on it to remember what it was. So I'm gonna go back to this page. Do you guys see this picture right here? I've already cropped. I couldn't find the original picture. I can only find the cropped one. This one here.
Wait.
Yeah.
I lost you. How did I lose you? Oh.
You guys want to save that one?
Okay.
We'll open it.
Which one are we doing?
This one here where he's leaning against the mirror.
Okay.
And and we might not get to all these pictures, like right here. There's one you can practice cropping. So you can come back later and save all the pictures that you want that I've posted, you know, and practice. Like this one here, we didn't do. It's a little dark. I thought that in this one here, you know, play around with that. It's a little dark. Here's another one you can play around and practice cropping. Okay, so we'll go back to X and view. I'm going to go open. I'm going to go to my folder. Okay, so this scene, I don't know why. Maybe I'll get a better capture if I ever have the money and can afford to buy the DVDs this year. I've tried to take this scene, captures from this scene, and they always come out blurry and grainy. I don't know why. I guess it's just the way my it recorded for me that day. But I have tried and tried to apply like different things, filters and things in here. And I just, for some reason, I cannot get that grain out. So I'll show you what I ended up doing with it one time. So we can go ahead. That's just, I just wanted to show you that real quick. So we can move on. Okay, you guys wanted to, with that's X and view. So I don't know if it'll let me do this or not.
And to get out of that, we just click the X up at the top.
Remove background. Can you see remove background here?
Wait,
Yeah.
are you in X and view?
No.
No,
So I may have to start.
I see it. I see the remove.
What are
remove
you
background.
in?
Okay, I switched to remove backgrounds. I just opened a new window.
So that's in the online.
Yeah.
It's called remove background.
Mm-hmm. Do you see it?
Yes,
Uh,
I see it.
Can you
Are
see
we
it, Mary?
Okay.
I can see your screen. I'm just trying to figure out how to get to it on my computer.
You just type in, I can give you, it's just just remove.bg. So there's the link.
Okay. Cool.
Okay. Okay, so you guys can all see it now?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to click upload image. Well, first, let's see.
I'm going to use the one I
Let's
made
pick
that
this
had the
picture of
tree in the
Allie.
background.
Do you guys all see this picture of Allie on the website?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and save that to your computer.
Trying to figure out which picture. I wasn't watching your screen. The
Oh,
one
I'm
with her
sorry.
in the dress?
Yes, the one
Yeah.
with her with the dress with the pockets.
Okay.
So we're going to click upload image. And we're going to click on that, open. And can you see that? Just like magic, it already did it. Did you guys all see that?
I was elsewhere, so I didn't.
Okay.
But,
okay, I'll do it again.
oh, okay, let me. Okay.
Oh,
Let me
wow.
know when you guys are ready and I'll do it again.
I'm watching now.
Okay, everybody watching? Okay, you're going to click upload image. And you're going to browse to the folder that you want. It just automatically took me to the folder I've been working out of. So I'm going to click on Allie here. I'm going to click open. And now you guys were asking about how to take the background away. So if you like that, you can say download. And it's probably going to save in your download folder rather than the folder you just created. You'll have to move it. So you want to add a new background to her. You're going to go edit. And here's a choice. I forgot to save some backgrounds to show you that I was going to upload a background, but I can still do that.
So are you still in remove background doing this?
Yes, we're still in remove background. You see right here where it says edit?
Yeah.
You're going to click edit. It also lets you do some blurring right here if you wanted to.
So you
So
clicked edit, not the drop down arrow by it.
no. The drop down,
Okay.
what does the drop? Preview and high resolution. I don't think you'll need that. That's probably for pay. But here's now if there it left part of the background, you would go to erase and you would like use this and erase it. But it did it perfectly on this picture. So here's some backgrounds that they gave. Oh, this one's kind of country. So, what kind of background do you guys? I'm gonna switch. I don't know if you can see my screen still or not. I went to Google
Yes.
search. Or that was I'm gonna check. Let's say girly backgrounds. Say you don't like any of those. I'm gonna click images. Say we want to put her on this one. Let me see if it saves it as a JPEG. Okay, so I'm just gonna save it. I'm gonna go back to where did it save it to? Downloads. Okay. So I'm gonna go back to this. I'm gonna go back to this and see where it says upload background. I'm gonna say upload. And I'm gonna browse down, go to my downloads because that's where it saved it. There it is right there. Now I've uploaded my own background for her. So click load. I want you to share you to be kind of I never do it, but be like, oh, I use remove background, but you don't see your downloads and then you're done.
Okay.